name is Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another easy song to play on the ukulele. So without further much ado, grab your uke because today I'm gonna teach you how to play One Day by Matisyahu. So for this tutorial, I will be using my soprano Kokolele from Clifton Guitars. So if you would like to purchase this ukulele, so you may check it out on the description box below. So this song has 4 basic chords in the ukulele, like super basic lang talaga. So the first chord that I'll be teaching you guys today is the chord of C. So ayan lang yung C natin. Next chord is G. Next chord is A minor. And then for the fourth chord, that is the chord of F. So again, C, G, A minor, and F. Next thing that I'll be teaching you guys is this strumming pattern, and this strumming pattern is pretty basic also. So ganito lang siya. Down, down, up, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down. So just follow the illustrations that I'll be showing you here. So ayan, and also check out the description box below para sa chords and lyrics of this song. So for the entire song, the chord progression is C, G, A minor, and F. So yun lang, okay? And then just follow the strumming pattern for the entire song. And let's try the intro. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. So let's move on to the first verse of the song. So dito na part, same lang talaga sa ginawa natin kanina sa intro. So yun din yung gagawin natin for the next parts of the song, like the pre-chorus, the chorus, and then yung bridge. So yun lang lahat. Same chord progression and same strumming pattern. Okay, so let's try sing the first one. Sometimes I lay under the moon and I thank God that I'm breathing. And then I pray the day be soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. So let's move on to the pre-chorus. Same chord progression, same strumming pattern. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when the negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn all around because. So chorus, same. All my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't want to fight no more. There'll be no more wars and no children will play. One day, oh, one day, one day, one day. So para naman sa verse 2, same lang nung ginawa natin sa verse 1, and another pre-chorus and also another chorus, and then verse 3 and another chorus na naman. So same lang lahat, same chord progression and same strumming pattern. So just remember those C, G, A minor, F na chord progression, and then for our strumming pattern na down, down, up, down, up. So that's it guys. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa tutorial na to. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And of course, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. And also, let me know on the comment section below kung ano yung gusto nyong ituro ko for the next video. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!